Hi everyone. Today I'm going to go over our order approval feature in Optimum Control. This is a feature that can be used so that anyone can put in an order, but only approved users can approve it to be exported to your supplier. This allows for an additional level of cost controls to ensure orders are within approved limits. There are a couple steps in setting this up. The first thing to do is turn the feature on. To do this, we're going to navigate to the settings, which is the gear icon in the top left, go into preferences, purchasing, and then it says last option here, require order approval. We're going to check that off and click save. Next, we will need to set the users with and without enough permission to export the order. In this database, I have two users, a head office user and a manager user. I'm going to show you how to set it up so the head office user has the ability to approve the order and the manager does not. The first thing we will do is confirm that the users have the correct access levels. To do that, we're going to go into security and then employees, and we'll see the two users we have created here. We have head office, which has a head office level, and the manager, which has a manager level. The next thing we're going to do is go into the access levels to confirm that they're set up correctly. So we'll go to the access levels, and because we're making it so that the manager doesn't have enough permission to export the order, we're going to select that user, or that access level, and then we're going to go into purchasing, orders, order selection view, commands, and then we see an option for approve order here. We can uncheck that and save. While we're here, we can also double check that the head office user has permission to approve the order. So we'll go into that same area, purchasing, orders, order selection view, commands, and we see that they have the ability to approve an order. Next, to show how this works, I'm going to sign in as the manager user and navigate to the order window. So I'm going to go back to the main menu, and then we're just going to switch users into the manager user. And then if we go to the order window, we see there's two orders here. If we highlight on either of them, we're not going to have the ability to set approved or to export as of yet. This is what the manager would see after he inputs his orders. At this point, it's going to require the approval from the head office account. So I'm going to close out of here, and then I'm going to sign in as the head office account. And then if we go back to the orders window, we can see if we highlight the orders, export is still unavailable because it hasn't been approved, but the set approved option is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to approve both orders. So we can set approved, yes, set approved, yes. Now we can filter this for approved orders and we can see they're both there and the export option is available. So we're going to export this order out, save it, and now that one is done. Now, if we sign back in as the manager user, and go to the orders. If we highlight for approved orders again, we now have the ability to export this approved order to where it needs to go. That is how you use the order approval feature in Optimum Control. This can be a helpful tool to ensure that all orders are approved by those with purchasing authority. Thanks for watching.